Hey, hi everyone. So in today video we will talk about privacy. So when you visit the Bumble under the data section, there is a privacy tab. So what exactly it is? In a simpler term, I will tell you what exactly the privacy. So think about any application in the world. For example, Uber. There is a multiple user out there. For example, one is uh, end customer, us, who basically use Uber app to book a cab. Second is Uber driver, who basically use Uber app to get the riders. Third is Uber management. So under the Uber management, there is a lot of hierarchies there. One is super admin, who wants to see every each and every data. One is sales department, who have just like they have a like work related to account section or something or numbers, and there's a development section. They don't need to see the how much it is costing, particular in a particular trip. You don't need that data, but it is so that's where privacy comes in. You can set up a rule based upon any type of thing. For example, you are giving a type to each of the user who is logged in. So you can uh, set up privacy rules so that each user see a particular information. So a rider who is booking a cab doesn't need to know who all our riders are in platform. A rider who is expecting a booking from the rider don't need to have a complete information all are whom all are riders or all are booking in the platform. They just need info related to their booking. That's it, not other booking or anything. This sort of the privacy comes in. So what exactly you will, for example, I just want to put. So here the let me just add it, type text. So for example, there is an Uber app, and you don't want to show email ID to the rider of the driver. For example, there is one driver and there is one rider, and you don't want to driver can't see rider email ID, or uh, rider can't see a driver email ID. So how you will do that? There is one way you can manage that to via your own server. But if you are using a Bumble server, Bumble as a backend, how you do that? Just define a key role. For example, rider. I just rider. Just click on rider. So when this rule kicks in, when current user type is, for example, we are providing a type of rider. I just need to remove. So yeah, you just key. Okay, no, it can't. It just so email ID, slug, and email. That's it. So here we are. If current user is rider, this current user type is rider, they can see only modify date, slug, and created date. That's it. So this is when, though you will understand what is the use of the when and this thing, and you can set up other things. Find this in search, view attached files, and auto binding functionality or not. Let's define it. So yeah, this save automatically. You don't no need to click the button. So that is all about the privacy. You can use it, implement it in your method. So let me tell, just ping in the comment if you have a specific problem you want me to pick my brain over that problem and put a privacy rule and create a video. Just comment it. Thanks. I hope that privacy section is you are able to understand. If you have any issue, just ping it again in the comment section. Bye bye. Thank you.